Updating your legal name with your financial institution is important to ensure all your records are accurate. Here is a simple guide to help you through the process at Digital Federal Credit Union. Step 1. Gather required documents. Collect all necessary documents that prove your name change. This may include the marriage certificate, divorce decree, or court order. Step 2. Log into your online account. Access your Digital Federal Credit Union online banking account using your credentials. This will allow you to initiate the name change process. Step 3. Navigate to the name change section. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use ASRoC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Submit your request. Fill out the required form with your new legal name and upload the documents you gathered earlier. Make sure all information is accurate before submitting. Step 5. Confirm changes. After submitting your request, check your email or online account for confirmation of the name change. It may take a few days for the changes to be processed. By following these steps, you can efficiently update your legal name with Digital Federal Credit Union. Make sure to keep an eye on your account for confirmation and any further instructions.